So, here we go again. This video is about making Koroks from the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. And to make them I am using a bunch of different types of wood that I never used before, and I also have a surprise character in the end. So I'm using iroko, mahogany, some very old oak, and a bit of beech that I had still had left. The oak was so old that it was cracking. And I watch a lot of Blacktail Studio, so this is my attempt at doing inlays. And here's number 2, quite proud of that one. And then there is numbers 3 and 4. They will go to the Garden of Shame because I don't like them. I was told about Hestu, the Big Daddy variant of Koroks. So yeah, I need to make one. A beautiful outline, bit of Benza skills. That's quite boring, so I'll fast forward it. All done, ready for the die grinder. I honestly I got bored. I got bored with the S2, so I just sanded it real quickly and finished them. That's it. Thanks for 2 minutes of your time. Bye.